People and Migration, 10th class, Chapter 8, Social Studies, Part 2 Bits, English Medium. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it. A small conical hut made of bamboo mat and poles are known as hamlet, Gadi, Kopi, Tyre. Correct answer, Kopi. According to dash causes, 307 million people have been reported as a migrants. 1901, 2001, 2011, 2014. Correct answer, 2001. Savara tribals migrated to mining sites in Odisha, Assam plantation, sugarcane cutting, fish processing in Maharashtra. Correct answer, Assam plantation. The National Commission of Rural Labour report submitted in 1992, 1993, 2000, 1990s. Correct answer, 1990s. Which tribal migrate to work in mining sites of Odisha? Savara, Gadis, Chinchu, Munda and Santal tribals. Correct answer, Munda and Santal tribals. Migration commonly occur from rural to rural, urban to urban, urban to rural, rural to urban. Correct answer, rural to urban. Which state has major producer of sugar in India? Maharashtra, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab. Correct answer, Maharashtra. Migrant laborers spent more on education, food, land, none. Correct answer, food. 50,000 women migrate from dash annually to work in fishing industries of Maharashtra, Kerala, Odisha, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, Kerala. Money sent by migrants to their relatives is prizes, gifts, remittance, awards. Correct answer, remittance. Dash are set up by the Indian government in different countries. Embassies, governors, agents, none. Correct answer, embassies. Large-scale sugarcane cultivation began in the western Maharashtra in the early 1970s after the Uchi Dam was built. Hirakud, Mettur, Koina, Prakasam barrages. Correct answer, Koina. In recent times, India dash also go to countries such as Germany, Norway, Japan and Malaysia. Skilled workers, employees, professionals, none. Correct answer, professionals. Criteria for identifying a person as a migrant. birthplace, last usual place of residence, above 6 months. Both A and B. None. Correct answer, both A and B. Expand UAE, United Arab Emirates, United Arabian Emirates, Union Arab Emirates, Union Arabian Emirates. Correct answer, United Arab Emirates. Expand UNDP, United Nations Development Program, Union Nations Development Process, United Nations Development Process. None. Correct answer, United Nations Development Program. The 7 districts of Western Maharashtra are called Sugarfield, Sugarcane, Sugar Belt. None. Correct answer, Sugar Belt. Remittance means the money sent by the migrants, the money sent by the government, money sent by the organization. None. Correct answer, the money sent by the migrants. Highest inflow of remittance in the state of Maharashtra, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. Correct answer, Kerala. People with technical skills and professionals migrate to which countries? Undeveloped countries, developed countries, developing countries. None. Correct answer, developed countries. B option correct. Movement of people from one place to another place is called migration, immigration, emigration, international migration. Correct answer, migration. Inward movement of people from one country to another is called immigration, migration, emigration. None. Correct answer, immigration. A option correct. Outward movement of people from one country to another is called emigration, migration, immigration. None. Correct answer, emigration. A option correct. Onam is the largest festival in which state? Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Kerala, Odisha. Correct answer, Kerala.